Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these gooey cheddar cheese filled tater tots. To get started, I'm just going to poke a bunch of holes in Yukon Gold potatoes and put them in a 375 degree oven for around 30 minutes. We want them to be cooked but not mushy. Since we're upgrading our tater tots, we can't just use basic ketchup. Don't get me wrong, I love ketchup, but if you've seen most of my videos, I always like to make my own condiments that will surely be a crowd pleaser. As always, the recipe will be in the info box. Now that our potatoes are cooked, we want to peel them while they're still hot. This is going to help take any extra moisture out of the potatoes. Don't throw your potato peels away. Toss them with a little bit of olive oil and salt and pepper, bake them till they're crispy and have some nice crispy potato skins. Next, we need to grate our potatoes while they're still hot onto a piece of parchment paper to let them cool down. Let's season our potatoes with kosher salt, chicken powder, and fresh cracked black pepper. The last thing we need to do is cut our cheese into sticks. I'm using cheddar, but you can use whatever your favorite cheese is. Grab some potatoes and put it into your hand, push it together gently, and then push in your cheese. All we really need to do is make sure that the cheese is fully encased in the potatoes. I'm just rolling the tater tots in instant mashed potato flakes to give them a little extra crunch when they're fried. Fry the tater tots at 325 degrees Fahrenheit until they're golden brown and crispy. This is what you're looking for: golden brown, crispy, and delicious. Thanks for watching my video on how to make cheese-filled tater tots. You can check out my Instagram at A Chef and a Spoon, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Drop me a comment and let me know what videos you want to see next. See you next time.